this video, you'll learn how to add spaces to a Discord channel name by using special symbols. First, create a new channel or select the Discord channel you want to edit. This is where you'll update the channel name with special spacing. As you can see, even after pressing the spacebar again, the hyphen is still appearing. So now, I'll switch it to a new tab to insert a space instead. Next, open the iSymbol Text website and explore its options then. In the search bar, type line. Scroll through the available symbols and copy the symbol. Use the drop-down to find a suitable blank or special space character. Then, download the i2Symbol app if needed, and back the Discord tab, open your channel settings in Discord to prepare for editing the name. Now, select the Overview section, and in the channel name input field, paste the special space symbol where you want gaps in the name, allowing you to add visible spaces. That's how you add spaces to a Discord channel name. Happy customizing?